Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 9 of our course. Um, so, I wanted to start by just saying that I hope that everyone is doing okay, that everyone is staying safe, and that everyone is staying well, um, and that if those things aren't happening, that you have the support that you need for this really challenging and uncertain time. So we have been on pause for um, a while now, and we're going to start right back up. And I know that you guys will finish the course strong if you ask for whatever help that you may need during this time. Um, this is really sort of an unprecedented historical moment, at least in um, our lifetimes. So know that I'm thinking of you, and know that if you do need resources right now, um, please reach out to me. So CCP does have some resources, though I'm sure not nearly enough for what may be needed at this time. But if you need help in any way, please reach out to me. And if I can't help you, I may be able to link you up with somebody who can help you. And just know that I am really thinking about all of you in this disrupted time, and that more than academics, what I'm most concerned about is your well being at this point. So please also reach out to me if you need me to be flexible with you. That could take the form of extensions on your assignments. It could also take the form of cutting out certain assignments if you are in a really, really hard place, or modifying them slightly for you as needed. I'm willing to do these things, but it's hard for me to know exactly what it is that you might need during this time. So I'm just going to rely on you guys to email me to let me know what would be most helpful. And for many of you, it may just be having this course as a distraction from all the things that are hard in your life, like being able to persist and learn, keep on learning, and doing the great job that you're doing in this class. So whatever it is, please let me know how I can best assist you in your continued journey to the end of this course. So, logistics. What you'll see now as week 9 is very similar to week 8 in both classes. So, a lot of the assignments are the same. The only differences, there are two differences. So, you'll see that there is a final draft area, though technically that's not going to be until week 10 of 098. There's a final draft area for your technology essay. And there is an extra mindfulness assignment in 099 that is asking you somewhat of an open-ended question: how are you doing? So it'll give you an opportunity to reflect either in the discussion forum about how you're doing right now, or in a private personal email to me. And if you're not feeling that assignment, you can just write simply one sentence that says, I am doing fine, or I don't want to talk about it. Totally good for that. So it's a space for you if it's helpful for you to write about what's going on for you right now. But it's not, it's required that you put something there or in an email to me, but you don't have to be like super specific. I know I'm always telling you to be super specific, but if you have stuff that's personal that's going on that you don't want to talk about, that's totally fine. It's just an opportunity if that's something that's helpful to you. Okay, yeah, so there's that, and then there's also the draft area of your technology essay. So if you have not yet posted a draft of your tech essay, and that's most of you, and that's totally fine because we went on pause before that was due. So if you haven't done that, please do that. I would say everybody should rewatch the video about writing an analytical essay. This is the type of essay we're going to be doing from now until the end of the semester, with one tiny tweak when we get to persuasive essays. So it's a really important foundational video for you to look at and really understand. So since there's not a lot of new work this week, I would take an opportunity to review the work that you've already done. Take a look at your quiz, and email me if you have any questions about how you did with that. And just take a moment to like recalibrate, get back into it, and work on your essays. I do also want to reiterate, to say again, that it's important for your technology essays that you pick a topic that's relatively narrow. So please don't write about all of technology and then have one paragraph about phones and like one paragraph about laptops and another paragraph about coronavirus, right? So what I really want you to do is focus on a particular form of technology or a particular aspect of technology and write your whole essay about that. So for example, you could write about how technology is useful in times of global pandemic. What a relevant topic that is. So, and then each of your paragraphs would be about that. Or you could write about smartphones and then write about 3 different problems with smartphones, like cyberbullying, like distractions, like health issues. Those are the examples I used in the video. So make sure that your topic is narrow enough. Also make sure that when you write your thesis statement is your overall main idea and your 3 examples, which are the examples that you talk about in your essay. And that is at the end of the introductory paragraph. That sentence comes, and it's your overall main idea, and then the 3 examples that you actually talk about. So a lot of times what I'll see is that you'll have your main idea that like smartphones can be a problem, but then the examples that you give are not the ones that you actually talk about in your essay. So make sure that those relate to the topic sentences in your essay. And if you want to know more about that, watch the video or send me a personal email. I'll absolutely look at that and I can help you with that. Again, I'm always available to you by phone too. You just need to send me an email with your schedule, and then we'll make a time to talk by phone. Yeah, I'll continue to think about all of you. Let me know whatever it is that you need. And again, if I can't provide it, I can see if I can link you up to somebody who can. And I'm really going to be thinking as we move forward in the course about what is like absolutely most essential for you to do to move you to the place that you need to be for English 101, 108. And that's sort of always what I'm thinking, like what's the most crucial stuff that you really need to master to be successful in that course. But I'm going to be like even slightly more attentive to that because I know that there's a lot that's likely going on in all of your lives right now. So again, keep me posted about what's going on. I can't wait to continue working with you. The disruption has been hard for me as well. And I'm really looking forward to continuing to work with you, and just reach out to me with any questions, comments, or concerns, and I'm happy to continue to work with you. Thanks.